from the woods in Washington State and drove it to Hot Rod Power Tour. Now we start day one.
We finally made it.
We're finally at day one.
Finally. So as of this morning, day one, this is the start of day one for Hot Rod Power Tour. We've done 2,200 miles from Tacoma, Washington to about 25, 30 minutes out of Joliet for day one.
Yeah.
And
It's been great.
knock on plastic and metal, we've just burned some oil. That's all we've done.
And supported the economy with gasoline and hotel stays.
And supported the economy with the average about 15 miles per gallon for fuel.
Yeah.
So we're going to get in here. It's going to be a rainy day for day one.
Yep, on and off. Yeah.
So we're going to get in. If there's one thing today, we got the
multi-day
because they were sold out of long hauler. So we got to finagle a sticker today. And I heard from Kevin that I met this morning.
Yeah.
He's like, everyone with long hauler gets 2 tins, 2 signs. So if you can find someone that doesn't want 2, you can kind of talk one off of them. So that's our mission for this as well. I just want the sticker. That's all I want.
We came a long way and spent a lot of money for a sticker.
That's going to be thousands of dollars for a sticker. So we're going to get that sticker, hopefully today. All right, let's do it. Day one. Here we go.
We have to stand in line.
He's gonna be done. Got married I think I was 22.
Registered, waited in line for about an hour, and since they sold out of long hauler, we're in search of a sticker. You know, the sticker. Waited in the second line for about 30 minutes. They sold out of the sticker, so today's mission is to get the sticker.
windows will get washed off.
Yeah, right. You made it.
Yeah.
Good looking truck, man.
Thank you.
94 and below.
93, yes.
There
sir.
you go. I got a 94 Bourbon I'm taking on tour.
Oh, I bet that, is it the white one?
It's the red one. The red one.
I ain't seen that one yet.
That's
I bet
okay.
it looks sweet.
I'll see ya. I pulled it out of the woods. It's garbage.
Hey, it'll be a piece of treasure one day.
It will be. All right. Have a good one. Great wheels. Wilmington, Illinois, the Gemini Giant. Where are we at?
Ambler's Texaco Station.
And everywhere we go now, the hot rods follow us. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow we do Rantoul, Illinois for day 2 of Hot Rod Power Tour.